Thank you. Now to set the tone for today's event, dear students and media, it is indeed a privilege. Campaign on naps.
Already mentioned by my colleagues on the dais, this scheme offers stipend support, basic training support prior to on-the-job training, flexibility for the industry as both designated and optional trades are covered, allowing industry to design apprenticeship program relevant to their specific needs. Digital integration also, it is provided, online portal relevant to online portal facilities, seamless registration, contract approval and reimbursements. So entire process is transparent and efficient. Inclusive participation is there. What does it mean? That the scheme especially encourages engagement of MSMEs, women and youth from rural and aspirational districts, ensuring equitable opportunities across the state. With these salient features, the scheme envisions a tripartite collaboration between government, industry and the youth, making skills the foundation of self-reliance and growth. As a strategy for this awareness campaign to succeed, our approach must be collaborative, mission-oriented and people-driven. Here in the state, as rightly pointed out by my colleague Bandra, that we don't have big industries, rather we don't have even medium enterprises as per the definition of Government of India. Even if I try to look at as the secretary industry, where are the small entrepreneurs? I find very few. You can count on the fingers. Most of the industries are microprocessing industries. 95-96% are microprocessing or maybe below, maybe cottage industries. So as an administrative secretary of this industry department, the entire focus, what I am trying to shift to bring these microprocessing industries to the level of small industries or medium enterprises, at least some of them. Because in any state or in any country, the strength should come from inside. So the local industries need to be promoted. It is very easy to bring industries from outside, but that cannot be, a permanent solution in any state or any country. The strength should be inside and we have the natural resources. We need to look at our resources, whatever we are having here in the state. And that is why the entire focus, what we are trying at present to shift on the local industries and their promotion, their projection in the national or international market. So, what she has mentioned that we are trying to have a collaborative effort, that is true. So, MSMEs, because once we have MSMEs in the state, it would provide an opportunity to our local youths to get integrated into the entire ecosystem. And perhaps that will be the right approach to have a very strong ecosystem, having the local youths, local industries, and local knowledge in place. Then educational and skill development institutions should integrate apprenticeship pathways within their academic structure. That is also equally important. State departments and the PSUs, whatever we are having, of course we are not having much, and many of them are also, trying to survive. So the PSUs also should take the lead in this direction. They need to focus on the local youths and their entrepreneurship and their apprenticeship program. When we talk about the outreach, so every young person, every youth, whether in a college, ITI or a village, must know that apprenticeship is a gateway to opportunity, not a last resort. And to translate this vision of the Honorable Prime Minister into ground reality, we must move with clear coordinated action. And the key steps may include setting up of state and district level apprenticeship cells to coordinate between industries, training institutions, and apprentices. Next could be mapping. Mapping is very important. Mapping industry skills across sectors, be it manufacturing, be it logistics, tourism, and all are relevant to the case of Manipur. Manufacturing, yes, it is at microprocessing industry level, it is there. Logistics, it is coming up. Tourism, we know Manipur is a powerhouse for ecotourism at least. Health, we know. IT, agriculture, all these sectors are prevalent in Manipur. They are very dominant. To identify high demand areas for apprenticeship. Then the awareness drives and job melas in collaboration with chambers of commerce, whatever we are having. At few weeks back also I called upon all the industry associations to get connected with the masses on the ground and try to develop the network in various districts. They should not confine themselves to Imphal only. At present, all the industry associations in Manipur, be it MCCI or the other associations, 2-3 associations, they are all confining their activities within Imphal or maybe the city area only. They don't have the base in other districts. So it does not work. It does not work. Then onboarding of MSMEs. When you ask an industry association here in the state of Manipur and ask them the list of the MSMEs of the industry, they don't have it there. And they don't have the membership also from various districts. So these are the gaps in the state. Then recognizing and rewarding model establishments and successful apprentices annually to build motivation and visibility. That is also important area to translate this vision on the ground. Then monitoring, reviewing, those all should be the regular feature in the entire program. Then last but not the least, the partnership with local media. Local media has to be very proactive in this case because it relates to employability, it relates to employment, it relates to encouragement to the youth.